Let me just walk through setting up your decision table and timeline in Google Sheets if you haven't done that before. You're going to come into the class website, download the decision table, timeline, report format, download all of that stuff onto your computer. But what we want is to have a single document that everybody can have access to. So if you go look to see who is in your group, you can get to that from communication groups and see who's in there, or you can go and chat with them in the discussion page. You can get their emails by going to communication class list. Just click on somebody's name and their email will pop up, so you can get everybody's information just on the Class D2L website. Open up that Excel file, highlight everything, and then you're just going to right-click on your mouse button and copy it onto your clipboard. So just right-click, copy. After you have that Excel file on your clipboard, go ahead and open up google.com. You can go to either your Google Drive or you can go straight to Sheets. So if you open up your Google Drive, you'll have to sign in with your account. Make sure you are signed into Google. Go ahead and create a new Google Sheets. Sheet is like an Excel file. And once you have that new Google Sheet, you can say Control V or right click and paste. So just paste that entire Excel sheet into the Google Sheets. And after you name it, you can share it. So the first time I hit share, it says, please give this file a name. So you can give it a name. Call it decision table, put your group name on there. It's good to get in the practice of giving descriptive file names to things to just have everything organized well. And then hit share, and you're going to type in the emails of everybody from your group. Okay, with a little message, hello, please come help edit our Google Sheet. Okay, so this is going to send an email to everybody that you type in their email address in there. Okay, so you say send, and the next thing you do, they're going to open up their email, they'll have a little link, so-and-so has invited you to edit this sheet, and now everybody in the group has access to the same document. So each team member is going to click on the link in the email you sent. It'll open up the same document, and then they can get on there and edit it. So they can type in their ideas in here, they can fill in numbers into the spreadsheet, and modify these spreadsheets to be whatever you need it to be for your group. There's a couple of example ones in there, but each project is a little bit different, so it'll have slightly different goals, it'll have slightly different number of people on the team. Maybe there's only 3 people, or maybe there's 5 people, so you might have to copy and add columns or remove columns. So fill in the goals for your team, and everybody should contribute to this. So make sure that everybody has edited everything. Okay, and everybody can put in what points they think it should have. So fill in grades and points. Everybody should contribute at least one idea for this spreadsheet. Here's the really neat about Google Sheets and Docs. You can comment on it. So you open this up, somebody else has already edited it, you can see their numbers. Hit the little comment button, type in, I think this should be a different value. Don't think it should be 9 instead of 10. Okay, so now your comment is in there. And there's going to be a little mark on the cells with the comment so that anybody else can open up your comment and reply to it. And you can have a little mini discussion forum right there on the Google Sheet. So it's a really great tool to use. Most companies have similar systems to this. If they don't use what's online, they might have their own internal SharePoint software. But this is how everybody works now, is you have shareable documents and everything's going to be a team project. To turn in your spreadsheet, you can either invite me to be part of your team and have it so that I'm not editing the document, but that I can comment on it. That would be great. or you can turn it in by copying and pasting it and putting it in the Dropbox like you turn in other assignments, and that is a group Dropbox that everybody can see. Let me just show you how to see your group and how to set access levels one more time. So share, advanced. Under advanced, everybody you shared it with will be under there. The first person who sets it up, they're going to have control over setting who can edit, who can comment, who can view. It's all just right under the share key. So this isn't about just making a decision table. It's also making sure everybody's familiar with the online resources and the programs that you're going to be using for not just this class, but in all of your classes and on the job. This really is how you work together and set projects up. So let me know if you're still confused, and hopefully you'll have some fun ideas and a good time working with one another.